Hello everybody and welcome to Irene Free Supply. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make OHA soup when you're away from home or when you don't have access to the fresh ingredients. So I'm going to start off by showing you what I'll be using to make this soup. I'm going to be using turkey, I'm going to be using lamb, I'm going to be using beef and some stockfish. I'm also going to be using periwinkle, palm oil, cocoyam powder as opposed to fresh cocoyam. I'm going to be using OHA leaf mixed with hot leaf or uziza leaf. I prefer this combination because uziza leaf gives it this pepper soup like taste and it's nice and spicy and hot like that. I'm also going to be using a blend of crayfish and some crayfish, rodo and onions, and that's what you see that liquid you see in the bowl over there. And you also will need an empty bowl for the mixture of the cocoyam you will see later on. Now you would need also some salt and some stock cubes. So I start by boiling the meat. I put the beef, stockfish and lamb first because it will take longer to cook, and I boil that for about 20 minutes before adding the turkey and periwinkle. So I into the pot I add in some salt, some stock cubes and my blended crayfish, pepper and onions. So after that, as I said, I would add in the turkey and periwinkle as you can see, and let that cook for about 30 minutes. While that is cooking, I would make my cocoyam paste and I will show you how that is done. So I'm making the paste so that I don't have lumps in my soup. If you add in the cocoyam powder directly, you would have lumps. So I'm making the paste by putting about 2.5 spoons of palm oil and just mixing that with some cocoyam powder until it forms a paste, and I would add that into the soup. So after doing this, I would drain my leaves because if you're away from home, you have access to only dry leaves. So you have to soak them first before using them. If not, you have to cook for a very long time so they can be soft. So you soak them first so they can be soft before using them. And now I'm draining them. So I would add in my paste, and you don't have to mix them in or anything. It will melt into the soup. And after it dissolves in the soup, you add your palm oil as you can see here. And then after adding the palm oil, you add your leaves that you drained. And this is it. This is all the steps that it will take to make your OHA soup. You leave it to cook for about 20 minutes and your soup is ready and good to serve, as you can see. I hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching, guys.